Step 6. Main gas valve. If the main gas valve LED is not illuminated green, check to see if the pilot flame is burning and the main gas valve control knob is in the on position. If control knob is in on position and the pilot is not on, refer back to Step 3 ignition sequence and Step 4 pilot sequence. If the pilot flame is burning, verify the main burner is on. If yes, replace the diagnostic panel. If no, you'll need to verify 24 volts AC between purple wire of MV terminal and blue wire on MV PV terminal on control module. If no power exists, the control board will need to be replaced. If 24 volts AC is present, verify 24 volts AC exists between the purple wire of MV terminal and the blue wire of MV PV terminal on the main gas valve. If 24 volts AC does not exist, remove main power and check for continuity between the purple and blue wires from control board to main gas valve and replace as necessary. If 24 volts AC is present at main gas valve, the main gas valve will need to be replaced.